Hey there, fellow biology enthusiasts. Welcome to Biology Career Insights, the podcast that's like a virtual cup of coffee with a biologist buddy. I'm your host, Dr. Manish Kumar, and I have more than 15 years of experience in the biology field. I'm excited to share my knowledge with all of you. I did my PhD from the Max Planck Institute in Germany, and since then, I worked in the biotech industry. I've seen firsthand how the industry has evolved over the years, and I'm here to share those insights with you all. Now, I know what you are thinking: biology? Isn't that just for lab coats and test tubes? Well, my friend, I'm here to tell you that the world of biology is way more than that. From biotech to conservation, genetics to environmental science, there are countless career paths that fall under the biology umbrella. And that's where this podcast comes in. We are going to cover everything from the latest advancements in the field to career tips and tricks for breaking into the industry. We'll talk about real life experiences and have little fun along the way. So if you're a biology newbie looking to explore the industry or a seasoned pro looking to level up your career, this podcast is for you. We are going to share all kinds of insights, resources that will help you build a successful career in the world of biology. So grab your favorite mug, fill it up with beverage of choice, and join me for a virtual coffee chat about all things biology. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Thank you.